In this lesson, you specify default file locations. These settings control locations of important Revit architecture files, including your default project template, family template files, and family libraries. To set file locations, click the menu browser and select Options. In the Options dialog, click the File Locations tab. Under Default Template File, click Browse. Notice that you can choose an industry-specific template as your default template. Here's a tip. If you want to view a template, you can start a new project with that template. You would click the menu Browser, then select New, then Project, and then click Browse to select that template. Click Cancel. Under Default Path for User Files, click Browse. In the Browse for Folder dialog, select the folder to save your files by default and click Open. I'm going to click Cancel. Back in the Options dialog, under Default Path for Family Template Files, click Browse. This path is set automatically during the installation process. Click Cancel. To specify library settings and to create a library, in the Options dialog, click Places. In the Places dialog, notice the list of library names. The list is dependent on the options that you selected during installation. Click the Add Library button. Then click in the Library Name field and change the name to My Library. Then click in the Library Path field for My Library and click the Browse icon that displays on the right side of the field. Then navigate to your Documents folder, or a folder where you want to create a personal library of Revit architecture projects, templates, or families, and click Open. You may want to create a new folder first, and then select it as the library path. The new library displays in the left pane of all Revit architecture Open, Load, and Import dialogs. Click OK twice, and then click the menu Browser and select Open. In the left pane of the Open dialog, click the My Library icon. Notice that Revit architecture navigates directly to the library path. If you work in a large office, you may want to set up an office library on a network path to increase productivity and maintain office standards. Click Cancel. Then go back to the Options dialog box. Click the File Locations tab and the Places button. Select My Library and click the Remove Value button to delete the library, and click OK. To specify rendering settings, click the Rendering tab. Under Render Appearance Library Location, view the current path. This path specifies the location of the Render Appearance Library. This path is also determined during installation. A project file can be used to create a standard material library. Click OK, as this concludes this lesson.